With the drug crisis going on today, it's understandable that many parents are concerned that their child could fall victim to drug abuse. 12% of American students who are 12 to 17 years old meet the criteria to be diagnosed with substance use disorder. This PSA was made to inform parents about warning signs, symptoms, and treatment options. Substance abuse is defined as repeated failure to stop using drugs, continued use even though it's continuously causing significant problems, building a tolerance, or having withdrawal symptoms. Warning signs include academic decline, truancy, significantly more parental conflict, performing more risk-taking behaviors, significant mood changes, abandoning normal activities and friends. Pay attention to the warning signs and talk to your children. Don't worry, there is help available. Multisystemic therapy and motivational interviewing has been known to help greatly. You can visit Madison Health Rehabilitation Center or your Bluegrass Prevention Center, or you can call the National Drug Abuse Hotline at 1-888-633-3239.